This is a specific retail executive education program that was created by the Ben Sadoun School of Retail Management in collaboration with the McGill Executive Institute. Each of these days is led by a world-class academic faculty lecturer who is specialized in and around retail. Each lecturer will enhance what they're doing with up-to-date curriculum, great case studies, but also guest speakers that are coming from the industry, around the industry, that can reinforce the expertise around the topic that's been addressed that day.
Retail, like many industries, is forever evolving, and technology is an enabler to disrupt the industry. As executives, to truly understand how technology will influence the retail of the coming years is critical for a successful, profitable business, and that's what we hope to share with you as you join us.
So the program to me is a really good crossroad of both academic principles and truly applied cases in reality. It was reassuring to see that we do a lot of good things within the company that I work at, but we also have opportunities. So to me, the takeaway is to take some of the bases that we've already ventured into and go a step further. And I also see a couple of opportunities where we can probably go a little bit deeper or open up some discussions with some of my colleagues.
The benefit that they will get from participating in a program like this is that they will know what is happening across different retailers in terms of what are the best practices across the different facets of retail across different industries.
As a vendor of software, it's really important to see where retailers are at in terms of both their advancement technologically, but also the challenges they face, and to see what solutions they're thinking about and what they're not thinking about, and to bring that back to my organization to be able to better improve our product and services.
I really plan to translate all these concepts and all the topics on the different project plans that we have on the omni-channel strategy, on the supply chain, and I'm going to be very interested on going back and tell them how all these concepts fit on our agenda with the company.
Networking is a significant opportunity as well, and a benefit from joining these cohorts. To be able to debate similar concerns with peers that are facing similar challenges brings a wealth of richness, and the diversity of thinking in the room becomes very prominent.
Participants can potentially learn state-of-the-art technologies and algorithms on how to potentially solve challenging problems and to adopt responsibly AI technologies.
I want to learn about AI because it's something very new, especially to me. I want to discover what other also brands are doing via AI, how successful it is, how can we apply it, and few things that we already do. What are the quick wins that we can take immediately, and maybe ask ourselves questions. So just to put the priorities and where it will make the biggest impact when I go back to my desk.
Even if we don't understand everything, be aware that it exists, be aware that there's things that are new, maybe we're not comfortable yet with it, and be curious.
What we're trying to bring for these participants is new ways of thinking, open their minds that will stimulate and generate ideas. And also at the same time, we are hoping that they will come out of this with a lot of ideas, a little bit more open mind to influencing how their organizations are doing things, but more importantly, hopefully with one or two ideas that they will go back and implement into their organizations. Maybe not today, but hopefully tomorrow.